expansion, which is now flowing through into the company's profitability as well, as a result of which profits are up nearly 70%. Any more details?
Not yet, Rima. We'll wait by Ekta will fill us in with some more details on that front. For the time being, the stock is spiked up close to around 1.5%. But let's get in Jay Thakkar as promised. Hi Jay, at the midway mark, what would you make of today's trading action? We are at around 12,150. So tell us your trade on the Nifty and also fill us in with a couple of picks.
Hi, very good afternoon to you, Nigel and Rima. Nigel, yes, as you rightly said that, we are in the middle of the range. I would say 12,300 on the upside is a clear resistance. Now we have been seeing that, maximum of the, writing from 12,400 strike got shifted to 12,300 and thereafter eventually to 12,200 as well. But if you check the monthly data, 12,300 now going forward is a very crucial resistance. And on the lower side, I would say that yes, 12,000 is also a very good support, wherein we have seen good amount of put writing also happening. In few days, the kind of selling which you already seen, Nigel, for Nifty going up from here on, it really needs support from the bank Nifty, as that's clearly broken the bearish head and shoulders pattern. So there is some up move required in, or short covering is required in bank Nifty in order to support Nifty to inch higher from these levels. I would say that since Nifty in the short term is quite at an oversold territory, so I would say that one can buy Nifty with a stop loss of 12,050 for a target of around 12,300, targeting the upper end of the range. Now, since I have a short-term buy recommendation of Nifty, I have two buy recommendation on stocks as well. One is, and both are from the mid cap, I would say. One is the FNO and one is the non-FNO stock. The first buy recommendation that I have, Nigel, today is on future retail. Now, future retail, we have been seeing that since past couple of trading sessions, the retail sector stocks have done quite well. V-Mart, D-Mart and India Mart and all. So future retail seems to be forming a good consolidating range at the consolidating pattern at the lower end of the falling channel. I'm preempting an upward breakout from here on based on the momentum indicators which have clearly provided a buy crossover. One can buy future retail targeting 358.50 in the short term with a stop loss of 337.50. The risk reward is absolutely in favor of the bulls. The second buy recommendation is from the sector which is already in an uptrend and the momentum is quite strong, and that is from the cement sector. Ramco Cements has provided a clear breakout from a symmetrical triangle pattern. It seems to have completed its wave for consolidation, and the stock is clearly moving upward in an upward sloping parallel channel. So based on all these technical evidences, one can buy Ramco Cements for a target of 920 with a stop loss of 821.
Okay. Thank you so much, Jeff, for joining in. By the way, Indico Remedies is surging now. It's up close to about 2.5%.